sellers and future buyers. Welcome back. If you are new here, I am Suma Sridhar, a dedicated realtor and also a real estate broker with years of experience in the Bay Area market. Today we are diving into an important topic that is making waves in the real estate industry, the new National Association of Realtors Compensation Rule and how it impacts you whether you are selling your home or looking to buy one. First, let us talk about what compensation means in real estate. Compensation structures have always been a critical part of real estate transactions. Traditionally, when a home was sold, the seller would pay real estate compensation, which often included a portion that went to the buyer's agent. This fee was negotiable and the seller usually afforded compensation through the MLS multiple listing service. But now, with the new ruling based on recommendations from the Department of Justice, things have changed. Sellers are no longer allowed to offer compensation directly on the MLS. However, they can still pay compensation or give concessions to a buyer or buyer's agent. This shift brings a new dynamic to the real estate process, especially in how negotiations are handled. So, what does this mean for sellers? The changes in compensation could significantly impact your financial strategy when selling a home. Now more than ever, it is crucial to hire a real estate agent who offers exceptional value. You want focus on an agent who not only offers a competitive rate but also provides outstanding service, negotiation skills and marketing expertise to ensure your home sells quickly and for the best possible terms. At our firm, we will be advising on the pros and cons of different compensation structures. Each situation is unique, but one thing remains constant. Any compensation to a buyer or buyer's agent will now come directly from the seller. However, this doesn't mean that offering compensation to a buyer's agent is discouraged. It is still a critical part of ensuring a smooth transaction. For buyers, the new compensation structure will have a notable impact as well. In the past, buyers typically did not directly pay their agents because the compensation often came from the seller. But under this new ruling, buyers may need to budget for compensating their agent. This could influence your overall budget for purchasing a home, making it even more essential to have a strong agent who can negotiate effectively on your behalf. As these changes unfold, we are entering a new era of transparency and negotiation in real estate. Having an experienced agent by your side is going to be more important than ever. Whether you are buying or selling in the Bay Area, my team and me are here to help you to navigate these changes and ensure you get the best outcome possible. If you would like more information on how these changes affect you, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are here to guide you through every step of the real estate process with integrity and excellence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my Suma Homes channel for more real estate tips and updates. And remember, when you do what you love, people love what you do. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area. Look forward to helping you with your real estate needs. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.